Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Simone if you're new here. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this makeup look using only products that you can find in Priceline. So today I'm going to start with my e.l.f. Putty Poreless Primer. I might just zoom you guys in just a little bit. Just a little bit more. There we go. Alright, so this one I'm just going to pop my finger straight in. I just got nails last week and I'm still getting used to how long they are. Alright, so primer's done. I find that this primer is not the best for oily skin, so if you have oily skin, maybe go with something like the Australis primer. You see that? This one here is a water-based primer and it's really nice. Okay, I'm going to be going in with my foundation. This is my Rimmel Match Perfection. There you go. I love this. This is like my third bottle. I am in the color 103 True Ivory. And I'm just gonna like put that on the back of my hand. And I'm just gonna use a flat paddle brush. Alright, for concealer, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This one is in the shade 10. And I'm just going to use a mini sponge. Okay, so the only thing that I don't have that's drugstore is a pressed powder. So I'm just going to use my regular, loose powder. Just because I have oily skin and I need to set my foundation and concealer. Perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows now. I just have this eyebrow pencil, come on, hello, by e.l.f. And it just has a spoolie on one end and the liner on the other. Just gonna run that through the arch of my brow and the tail. When I get to the front of the brows, I just run it through a little bit and then I spoolie it up. So I don't want too much color at the front because I do have quite a full brow already. You'll have to forgive my hairy eyebrows, I'm growing them out. I just brush that color up into my brow. Perfect. So that's all I do for my brows. I'm going to be using this contour stick. This is by Maybelline. Come on. Sorry, it's a Models Prefer. Camera takes a long time to focus. Okay, so I'm just going to be using this on the tops of my cheekbones. And I'm just using a dense brush to rub that in. So this is quite a orangey warm bronzer, so you only really need a little bit. If I wanted to go a bit more of a like proper contour shade, I could use, where did I put it? Oh, it's right here. I could use something like this. This is a Australis contour palette. So I could use those tones instead. But I find that this is quite easy to use, this contour stick. And it blends out quite nice. So that was a Models Prefer. Perfect. And then I'm going to use another Models Prefer bronzer. Come on. So this one here is a illuminating powdered bronzer. I love this one. I've been using it for quite some time. And I'm just going to put that on the tops of my cheekbones as well and blend that up my forehead. Just a bit up on my forehead. Now, I don't really have a drugstore blush either, so I'm just going to be using my Benefit California blush. Perfect. Now for highlight, I am going to be using this, what brand is it? I don't even know. Oh, Rimmel. This is a Rimmel highlight by Kate. It's Gone Through the Woods, this one, but I absolutely love it. I'm going to be using this pink tone. This is probably the best highlighter that I have found in the drugstore. I used all 3 shades, but at the moment I'm really liking the pink. It's like a little bit of a champagne-y color. Perfect. Now I'm going to be using this teeny tiny little lip liner. This is also a Rimmel one. It is in the shade 49 Neutral. I don't know if you can see it. It's so tiny. I have this one in my kit as well, and this is actually from my kit. Once they get quite small, they're just a little bit annoying to have in there. So I just purchased a new one and this became mine. Now I hardly ever wear lipstick, so I just color my whole lips in with the lip liner, and then I just go on with a gloss. and that's how I go. And then I just take I take the lip liner with me and top up throughout the day if I need, but I find I usually don't. I just keep going with the lip liner. All right, so next I'm going to do a little bit of eyes. So I have this palette here. This is by NYX. This is really old, but I'm just going to do some neutral colors. So I'm going to grab, ooh, almost dropped it. I'm going to grab this middle shimmery tone here. It's a bit of a peachy tone. And I'm just going to pop that all over my lid. All right, now with a smaller fluffy brush, I'm going to go in with this medium dark shade, tapping off the excess, and I'm just going to pop that on the outer corner. And I'm going to drag that underneath as well. Alright, so we're back. I had to change the battery in my camera. So I was up to putting a little bit of these darker shade here, just in the outer corner and underneath, just over where I put that lighter brown color. I'm just putting that in the outer corner and then a bit underneath. Bringing that shade in the outer corner and, oops, sorry, bumped the camera. In the outer corner and then just up into the crease a little bit. Alright, and I'm just going to get a clean brush that has, this one, a clean brush that has no product, and I'm just going to blend the outsides of those so everything's nice and seamless. And then I'm going to go back in with my highlighter, and I'm just going to use this gold shade here with my finger. Now I have nails, so it's a bit difficult, but I'm just going to be putting that on the center of my eye. And then I'm going to go back in with that small brush that has that dark product on it. And I'm just going to blend over the top of that. Great. Just gonna sweep underneath my eye in case there's any fallout. And then I'm going to go in with my W7 mascara. This one is like a dupe for the Benefit They're Real mascara. The brush is exactly the same. Now I like to use two mascaras, so I also have a Revlon volume mascara as well, and this one has quite a like big brush, like you can see the brush size difference. Fine, I go over with that one and then I go back over with the W7. So that's pretty much everything that I use. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more highlighter. I've decided I'm just gonna put a little bit more of this gold tone on. Just such a lovely highlighter. I love this one. And I would put it in my kit, except for the fact that I find that clients get really funny when they see like drugstore products in a professional makeup kit. I feel like they just think drugstore, like it's got to be cheap, it's no good, when it's actually amazing. It's one of my favorite highlighters, and I've been using that for probably like a year now, and I love it. Love it, I love it, I love it. Yeah, so that is my drugstore makeup look. I have to just excuse my eyebrows because they're a little bit overgrown here. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, give my channel a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe just down here, and I'll see you guys in my next video.